let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So this is our next movement on New Zealand dollar JPY. A bullish move is what we'll be expecting next. So we are currently trading at 90, right? We are expecting New Zealand dollar JPY to hit a level of 91. So guys, whatever thing you would want to be doing on your New Zealand dollar JPY, you would want to be going in for the buy. If you are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, click on the subscribe button right now. Click on the notification bell so you will not miss out on any single update, and also follow the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So let's start with our New Zealand dollar JPY. First and foremost, we would want to know the trend, and this is very clear that New Zealand dollar JPY is in an uptrend move. So take a look at this movement here. This is your high, and here comes your higher low. This is also the higher high, and here comes the higher low. This is the higher high, and here comes the higher low. So market was able to give us a new higher high here, and here comes the higher low, right? Now that this is the higher low, we are expecting market to push up again to form a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move is what we will be expecting next on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So guys, expect that New Zealand dollar JPY to give us that bullish move and tap a level of 91. So that is why I said a new higher high is what we should be anticipating for next on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So when you go to your forward time frame, you can see that there is a multiple rejection from this zone, right? Market has been rejected from this level multiple times, failing to break below it. So that is one of the reasons why I said another bullish move is what to be expected. So we expect market to bounce up and continue to push up. So once again, the level of 91 is what we should be anticipating for next on New Zealand dollar JPY. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So click on that subscribe button in order for you not to miss out on any single updates.